Hello friends, wanted to try something new for party appetizers or for snacks or kids lunchbox? Then this Paneer Bites will definitely delight everyone. But before we start, please subscribe my channel for new recipe every week. So we are going to take some bread slices which I have edges removed, and then paneer cubes, and then I have diced the bell peppers and onions, and also we're going to need this sandwich chutney which I have shared the recipe with you, and you can find the link in the description box below. Apply the chutney on the bread, and we are going to lay out the paneer pieces in this way, followed by the diced bell pepper. I have diced the bell peppers and onions same as the paneer cubes, so I can lay it out very evenly like this. Now if you choose a bigger bread slice, then you can lay out more pieces. So I'm going to sprinkle some red chili flakes on top of it. Look how beautiful it looks already, right? And oregano or pizza seasoning, and followed by mozzarella cheese. This is very easy to prepare and put it together in no time. Now again I'm going to sprinkle some red chili flakes and oregano and chaat masala. This gives a really nice flavor. Now on the second option, you can make with the instant pizza sauce, which is just ketchup and garlic sauce and red chili flakes, and then lay out the paneer and bell pepper and onions in this way, and followed by the sprinkle some oregano, chili flakes and mozzarella cheese. Again sprinkle the spices and chaat masala, and you can even lay another piece of bread on top of it and grill it. That would be awesome too. So this is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, or until the cheese on the top melts. So it's done. Look how beautiful and appetizing it looks. And I'm going to take it out on the plate and dice it up. Wow. Now you can hear the crunch, how crunchy it is. And look at this. Wow. This is so yummy and so easy to put it together, right? And it's perfect bite size. So I'm going to show you how it turns in the bottom. The bread is also nicely toasted. So I'm going to take a bite, and meanwhile you can hit that like button. So go ahead, try it right now and leave me a comments below how you like this recipe, and you can enjoy this with your favorite chutney or sauce. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment and share your experience or just how you like the recipe, and share this recipe with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.